Joshua Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Odyssey EX. This vehicle does come with LED daytime running lights, also come equipped with fog lights. You'll have remote start and keyless entry. You'll have all-weather floor mats in all rows. The vehicle also comes equipped with a 12-way power seat, 4 of those ways for lumbar support. You will have the steering wheel controls to be able to answer your phone calls, cycle through the media sources. You'll have the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, road departure mitigation, and forward collision braking system. You'll have the paddle shifters. You'll also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Be able to Bluetooth your music in. You'll have dual climate control, heated seats, snow mode, and econ mode for fuel efficient driving. You'll have a power outlet, storage compartment there. You'll also have USB ports and aux port to be able to play music through the car. You'll have a place to store your sunglasses. This also comes with a built-in mirror to keep an eye in the back seat. The center section is removable, and the outboard seats can actually slide inward. You can also use the lever on underneath the seat to slide the seat forward. Continuing to see the all-weather floor mat. Rear air condition control. Buttons to open and close. You'll have a capless fuel filler. The vehicle does come equipped with a backup camera with 3 different views. Power outlet. You also have the advantage of not only folding the seat down, but also collapsing the seat down. This is the 2019 Honda Odyssey EX here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.